Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I am going to show you how to pair this Tribit XSoundgo Bluetooth speaker. So it's very simple, just turn on the speaker by pressing this button. So this is the sound. Now we have to press this Bluetooth button here. So this is the sound. Now you can see in the Bluetooth page of this smart device, Tribit XSoundgo has come. Just I am clicking that. Now it is asking for the permission, allow access to your contacts and call history. I'm clicking pair. So that's it. You can see the battery percentage, it is showing here 100%. Now I'm just going to play the song. It's as simple as that. So this is the basic steps to pair the Bluetooth speaker of Tribit XSoundgo. So I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.